report that we're offering today is 9 buyer traps and how to avoid them. There's a lot of information in here. We never get to the whole report, so if you'd like to get the report, all you have to do is call 833-535-8081, extension 1018. Again, that's 833-535-8081, extension 1018. No matter which way you look at it, buying a home is a major investment, but for many home buyers, it can be even more expensive prospect than it needs to be, because many fall prey to at least a few of the common and costly mistakes, which help them either pay too much for the home they want, losing their dream home to another buyer, or buying the wrong home for their needs. This buyer trap report that we've got here, that covers all of those things. So it's a systematic approach. The first one is bidding blind, knowing what to offer on the home. You really need to look at it and how to offer on the home to make sure that you're putting your best foot forward. In this market, you're probably going to be competing against other buyers. And so as a result of that, you want to make sure that you're definitely putting your best foot forward. If it is, in fact, the house that you want, then you might have to pay a little bit more for it. But if you're going to be there for the long haul, it doesn't really matter. You're going to be able to be where you want instead of definitely not being where you want. So basically, the first thing on here is make sure that you're not bidding blind, that you know what you need to do, where you're at, where you're going. In this market, in this bidding frenzy, I do find that I think that there are some people that are buying the wrong home. And the reason is because they just want something, and it's not necessarily going to be the best thing for you. So you want to make sure that you don't purchase the wrong home. Now, we do have some guarantees for buyers that in case you do happen to purchase the wrong home, that we will stand behind it and we'll either buy it back or we'll sell it for free.